All right, listen. I said I was going to do this one in 5 minutes in a previous video. Nah, we're going to do this in 4 minutes. And we're going to go ahead and start right now. All right, I could do better. I could do better than what I did last time. Let's just start aggressively, okay? Let's start with like a crazy color. Okay, what am I going to do? Okay, let's do like a character casting a cool spell. See, this is the difference. Last time I wasn't really thinking. I was just like, all right, I'm gonna pretend to know what I'm doing here. But now I'm gonna actually do something. And he's on top of like some sort of epic mountain or some shit. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Epic mountain. And what I'm gonna do here as well is block it out pretty graphically. This will allow me to make some of the moves, y'all. Make those moves, homies. And so once I get some of those moves going, okay, now let's get the character up in this. And let's start with like a pretty dark value and a different kind of color. So I can use that as like a good jumping off point. Oh no, let's not do that pose. Let's do this pose. And this brush is not the best to kind of like capture smaller details. So I'm going to use like a smaller, thinner, hard brush to kind of capture this like do not pass type of individual. You shall not pass type of vibes. Okay, put them there. And they're like, yeah. Yeah, look at that. This is incredible. Oh, got about 2.5 minutes. Okay, let's do that with a finger. Okay, fingers, hands, whatever. For those of you who don't know, I actually joined like a speed painting competition back before the pandemic. And I won. It was great. It was incredible. It was a lot of fun. And yeah, hopefully in the future they will bring it back. Okay, I think we're good. So now that we got this bad boy, let's start flirting with some of the colors. And we'll keep it pretty two-toned. In fact, I'm going to introduce a completely different color. I did blue in my last, not this last paint. I mean, I did actually. I've been using blues. Like blues are tight. But I think I'm going to do it again because it's cool. Literally and figuratively for the arts nerds out there. Okay. Let's put some design. Let us put some kind of just general vibes. I think the values are all jacked up. So perhaps this isn't as good as I was hoping, but it's okay. Okay. Got about 1 minute. Okay, let's make some huge changes here to kind of really capture this. And then let's also affect the contrast quite a bit. And let's just get into business. So I'm going to use something called gradient maps here. There's no time to explain. Just know it's called gradient maps. I have a screen layer and a gradient map clipped to that black screen layer. And then we're going to just start getting wild with this. Okay, I got 30 seconds. Yeah, it's definitely some stuff that I wish I had more time to explore. Maybe it was ambitious to go full illustration, but it's okay. It was not on its own layer too. I'm not sure how well this will work. Yeah, it'll work fine. And I have 4 seconds. And there you go. Pencil down. Oh man, if I had 1 more minute, I could push this even further. But I'm a man of my word. I'm going to stop here. But anyway, yeah, I think the video is even under 4 minutes. Again, this is a fun little quirky video. If you happen to watch it and enjoyed it for entertainment purposes or got something out of it via watching me paint, great. If not, too bad. I was telling myself I wanted to do at least 2 5-minute-ish videos. So I did. I think maybe next time I'll do like a longer form, see how far I can go with 10 minutes. I don't think I'm ready to do 4 or 5 minute speed paints. I'm pretty good at roughing stuff out in 5 minutes, but I usually use like the next 5 to 10 minutes after. Like what I would do here is like I'll explore further. Um, if I felt like it wasn't going well, like for instance, I felt like I should make some big changes. Like that instinct kicked in the middle of this. And so what I would normally do if that happens, I would either make a major change, like I'd make a huge sweeping change overall, or just start over because it's only been 5 minutes. And if I'm not feeling it, I'm not feeling it. And so I usually do one of those two things, or sometimes I do a little bit of both, or I'll make huge changes. It's almost like I started over. Um, but yeah, I think I can get this instinct down to 2 to 3 minutes. Like I can see it within the first 2 to 3 minutes. But I don't know if I'm there yet to do it within 5 minute time frame to be able to see that within those 2 to 3 minutes. But I think I can do it if I train. So I'm gonna start at 10 minutes again. I'm gonna do like this exercise every day, 10-minute speed paintings, then bring it down to 9 minutes to 8 minutes until I feel really, really good. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video nonetheless. It's a short one, so it shouldn't be too hard for you to watch. Cheers.